everybody. Wish me luck. It's day 106. We just had a great breakfast. The food bags are all prepped, packed. Everything's organized. We're good to go. Got nothing else to do. It's time to work on that mattress. Wish me luck. We'll see how it goes.
Good luck.
Good luck. You're helping. We'll see how it goes.
It's all we can do.
That's all we can do. We're just chilling out. This is the most zero of a day that we've had on a 0 day. I'll take it. All right. I think we got it here. Here we go.
You see the little bubble
right there. Yep. That's a way I wasn't expecting that. I think it'd be on the seam or by the valve. That's the little bugger. All right, we'll see if we can fix that. I got a patch kit. Maybe some cement, whatever. Whatever stops it. I mean, like I said, one night out of 15 doesn't do it. I must just have my back on my butt on it. All right, so we're gonna wipe it off. Mark it. Yeah, it's still going. Yep. I'm gonna dry it.
I figured I could.
Alright. Alrighty, we got it all cleaned off. You can't even see the pinhole. So, we got the repair kit. We gotta hit it with
An
alcohol wipe. Make sure it's clean. Then we want to put one of our glue dots on it. Press it in. And then we want to put a patch on it. I think you got to let it sit for 20 minutes or a half hour or something before you use it, but I'm not even gonna bother trying it. It either works or it don't work. I can't imagine there's multiple holes.
I hope there's not.
Yeah, I hope there's not. That's the top too. That's always fake because I always put it the same way. I always have the valve and that there. It kind of started in the Smokies. So I was wearing extra gear back then too, so those cold nights. So I could have got it with a zipper and not even realize it. So, you ready?
I'm ready.
Grab the alcohol wipe. We got 2 kits too, so and they say to let the air out of it when you go to do it.
Alcohol wipe.
Wipe that puppy down. Don't wipe the
Yeah.
That's good. It's basically right on that line anyway, the second line. Alright. And now we'll hit it with the glue dot.
Do we have to wait for that alcohol to dry first?
Yeah, we may. Yeah, let me pause this. Alright, that dried off.
You said take off one side?
One side.
With the writing.
So take off one side.
With the writing.
With the writing. Put it over the hole.
I'm going to put it this way because it's longer.
Yep.
And we're going to go...
It's basically on the second line. So as long as you're covering it. I think you got it. That looks good.
And then press that down.
Press her down, spread it out. Make sure it's covered. If you had a really big one, you can use 2 glue dots. We could use 4 because we got 2 kits because we each have a Thermarest. I'm going to peel that paper off. Oop.
Not staying.
It will. Bad. Just got to work it. This is an out-in-the-field repair kit. We're not in the field. We're on a motel floor. The Stardust. Molly's Stardust. That's the other thing they need to spread out with this finger too. Yeah, we're good. And then you can put the patch right over it.
Okay.
Pull off one side.
There's only one side.
There you go.
And then put this, hold that tight.
Yep. Make sure there's no lines, no wrinkles. Work it from the center.
And it's got my finger.
Center. There we go. Yep. Oh, we're new and improved, baby.
His butt won't be hitting the ground now, we hope.
That's what we're hoping. All right. So hopefully, that's all I need. We'll know tomorrow night. It looks like it may be successful. I'm just glad I found the hole. We didn't find it. I did the same thing I did last week. This week it showed. Last week it wouldn't. Maybe I was more determined this week. All right. That's it for now. All right. This is the end of
Day 106.
Day 106. This the laziest, most productive 0 day I think we've had yet.
We found the hole in his air mattress.
Found that hole. We got it patched. Looks good. I'll know tomorrow night.
Got all our water bottles cleaned, our bladders cleaned.
That's all nicely done. We had a wonderful breakfast and lunch today from the
Ranch House restaurant.
been family owned since 1949. It was good.
It was real good.
I had French toast and eggs and bacon. Then we had a club sandwich and milkshakes for lunch.
Can't go wrong with that.
Yep, we'll figure out something else for dinner, but that was pretty good. It's right down, it's 3/10 of a mile.
Yeah, it was a real quick walk.
Quick walk. So if you stayed here, it's a so-so place. Can't beat the money.
Yeah.
Way better than the last place. So on a rainy day, you can't really go anywhere, but 3/10 of a mile ain't bad. And it was 1 point something, 1.2.
4.
Yeah, something like that to the gas station. I did that yesterday. It wasn't raining when we got here. So that was good. But now we just got to do our routes. We're trying to plan our last 10 routes to get through Pennsylvania.
Yeah. If we can be done in 10 days, that would be great.
We're going to try and get it done.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to line up with the shelters, but it ain't working out. How hard is it to make them evenly spaced? Or at least relatively.
Yeah. Could do an 18-mile day, but the next one, first one's 9 miles away, and then the next one's 24 miles out.
It's crazy, I say. It's crazy.
Yep.
We do got some rain to deal with, but I'm hoping that we can either, if it's real bad, just check out a hotel that night if we can find a road gap.
Mm-hmm.
If not, we'll play the shelter game or whatever. We'll see.
We'll try and make do.
We will make do the best we can. You can't tell with the forecast. Today's the big rain day. We know that. Then the rest that they've played a percentage game.
Mm-hmm.
So it all depends on when it falls. Literally.
You're funny.
Yep. Bandit's been sleeping, laying around. We've been laying around sleeping. I look like I just got dragged across the floor. Yep. Pretty good, I think. I think we're going to be in good shape for this.
Yep.
So, tomorrow morning we'll hit... Oh, yeah, we got a shuttle driver already lined up. We got everything all lined up. We never get everything done this early. It helped that we did the resupply when we walked into town.
Yeah.
We had to carry it through town, but it was no big deal.
We're going to carry it tomorrow anyway, so.
Right, the only difference was I had to carry that dog food in my hand.
Ooh, yeah.
That was the only difference. That was a bit awkward, but we only went a mile. Yep, so we'll get picked up here, and they'll drop us off down by the bridge, and we'll continue on. Hopefully there's no train blocking the trail for hours.
Yeah.
I read that in the far out. I'm like, oh, that ain't good. That could be a problem. We'll see how it goes. That would be the one train I get on the tracks.
Right?
I'd be sitting there for 6 hours.
You're not filming it for 6 hours.
Look at it. It's not moving. All right, that'll be it for today. We will see you out there bright and early tomorrow.
Have a good night.
All right, good night.
Peace.
Peace.